Okay, here we go. Is it dead? I think it's dead. What the hell? Now it's plugged in. Of course it works. And a car's driving by. How nice. Smart sound, and the Convergence is complete garbage in that corner. Hey, first static convergence adjustment I made was on this one, but the one with the 3 lines on the thing. And I made an improvement. Too bad that set betrayed me. Anyway, let me get the Pac-Man game. Ooh, that's bright. Yeah, that looks acceptable. Yeah, it sounds pretty gutless, but I have the speakers out of the 99 Philips Magnavox. They sound great. It's like a huge upgrade. These have like no fidelity, and those are like a million times better, even though they're nothing great. Get the nut driver, and then we'll take the back off the set on video with no music in the background. There's a service tag right there. Used to be, remnants of it. Maybe we should go around that area on Google Maps Street View. Speaking of that, Rusty air conditioner guy did a video like that looking at AC units. I enjoy his channel. I don't have any air conditioners. This place has central air. Ooh, this is just like the first one I got. This is a high hour set. Grungy. I think this might have the A something. Hold on. A68 AGN 33X. If this is the... Oh, plus I did the Reconvergence on that too. That one's fresh. The one out back, this one's sooty. This is like the first one I had with the vents right here. Oh, it's the 32X. Can I change the 32X with the 33X? I mean, this had a great picture. Look at the soot on this. Let's get closer. Look at that. That's high hour. Sure, this thing stunk like cigarettes, though. Huh. Just smells like this garage. That's different. We gotta compare that to the other set. At least it tells me that. Jeez, look at that. Wonder what the service tech did to this thing, what the issue was, what they fixed. Wow. Let's blow the dust out right now. Might ask on Reddit first, and I'll ask on the antique radios, televisions, VCR in love, VCRs in love, unnecessary apostrophe. Listening to country music don't make you a redneck. Not using apostrophes correctly makes you a redneck. Anyway, here we go. It's my stupid opinion of the day. Come on. Not a lot coming out. Chassis though, look at that. Hold on, make sure it's in view. Oh, it's like caked on. And that's what you expect the inside of a TV from 1994 to look like. Hell, that Zenith that I paid $100 for looks like garbage on the outside. But you can tell how the Convergence assembly is totally yellowed from the heat. So yeah, I kind of want to take the back off the other set. And we'll compare. I was using a brush to brush it. I was using a brush on this and the blower in my other hand, and it really smells fruity. What the hell is that smell? Yeah, it's more in the garage than it is out there. Huh. Let's see if there's any big scratches on the tube. I took a tube out of a 27-inch before. It was a crappy one we had out back. Exactly like that one, but different model number, and that one had pip.
Didn't do IBM 5150?
It looks mint. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
IBM one
nice.
out.